Are you still using VLOOKUP one column at a time? If yes, you're doing extra work. Today, I'll show you 3 powerful VLOOKUP techniques that can return one column, multiple columns, or any column dynamically. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one to use and when. Let's jump in. Method 1. Standard VLOOKUP. First, let's use the classic VLOOKUP. Click the first result cell. Type an equal sign. Now type VLOOKUP and open the parenthesis. First, select the lookup value. This is the value Excel will search for. Type a comma. Now select the entire data table. Press F4 to lock the table. This adds $sign so the table doesn't move when you copy the formula. Type another comma. Now type 2. This tells Excel to return the value from the second column of the selected table. Type another comma. Enter 0. 0 means exact match. Excel will only return a result if it finds the exact value. Close the parenthesis. Press Enter. Done. Excel returns the matching value instantly. When should you use this? Use this version when you only need one value from one column. It's simple, fast, and perfect for beginners. Method 2. Return multiple columns at once. Now let's make VLOOKUP even more powerful. Instead of returning just one column, we'll return 3 columns with one formula. Click the first result cell. Type an equal sign. Now enter VLOOKUP. Open the parenthesis. First, select the lookup value. Type a comma. Now select the entire lookup table. Press F4 to lock it. Type another comma. Instead of typing a single column number, type curly brackets. Inside the brackets, enter 2, 3, 4. These are called an array of column numbers. You're telling Excel, return the second, third, and fourth columns. Type another comma. Enter 0 for an exact match. Close the parenthesis. Press Enter. Look at that. Excel spills the results across 3 columns automatically. One formula, 3 results. No copying. No repeating VLOOKUP 3 times. When should you use this? This method is perfect when you're using Excel 365 or Excel 2021 and need to return multiple adjacent columns quickly. It saves time and keeps your worksheet much cleaner. Method 3. Dynamic VLOOKUP with match. Now let's build the smartest version. Instead of hard-coding the column number, we'll let Excel find it automatically. Click the first result cell. Type an equal sign. Enter VLOOKUP. Open the parenthesis. First, select the lookup value. Press F4 to lock it. This keeps the lookup value fixed when copying the formula. Type a comma. Now select the entire lookup table. Press F4 again to lock it. Type another comma. Instead of typing a column number, type match. Open another parenthesis. Select the header name you want to return. For example, price, department, salary, or any other column heading. Type a comma. Now select the header row of your table. Press F4 to lock it. Type another comma. Enter 0 for an exact match. Close the match function. Then close the VLOOKUP function. Press Enter. Here's what's happening. The match function searches the header row, finds the position of the selected heading, and passes that column number directly to VLOOKUP. That means if you change the heading, the result changes automatically. No need to edit the formula. When should you use this? This is the best option for dynamic reports, dashboards, interactive search tools, and templates where users can choose which column they want to retrieve. It's flexible, scalable, and much easier to maintain. Final comparison. So which one should you use? Method 1 for a quick lookup from one column. Method 2 when you want multiple columns instantly. Method 3 when you need a dynamic and professional solution that automatically changes based on the selected header. Each method has its place. The key is knowing when to use the right one. If this tutorial helped you understand VLOOKUP better, give this video a like, share it with someone who uses Excel every day, and subscribe for more practical Excel tutorials, formulas, dashboards, and automation tips. I'll see you in the next Excel lesson.